What is going on, guys? Welcome into today's tutorial on how to buy CBETH, the Coinbase Staked Wrapped Ethereum on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Coinbase account, and after that you can simply click on the buy and sell option. Now this overview will be opened. As you can see, the one-time purchase is selected. We would like to purchase it for one time, but if you would like to have a different buying frequency, then you can select it in this list. There are different options like a daily, weekly, twice a month or a monthly option. For now we will fill in a €2 which we are going to use for our purchase we are going to make, and now we have to select the asset we would like to buy. As you can know, we need to buy the CBETH coin, the Coinbase Wrapped Staked Ethereum, and we will simply click on that. After that, you can select the wallet you would like to use to make the payment. I'm using my Euro wallet, but if you live in another country or region, then you can simply select your wallet in this list. If you don't have any available payment methods in this list, then you can add simply by clicking at a payment method. After that, it will appear in this list and you can select it to use for a payment. For now, we will click on a review order. After that, this information will be shown about our purchase we are going to make. As you can see, I'm buying a very small amount of the coin. I'm paying €1.01. The Coinbase fee is 99 cents. And the total amount we are spending is €2. You also have an option to invest on a weekly base. Then this amount of €2 will be spent on a weekly base. So every week they will be bought for €2 and you can cancel it at any time. For now I will leave this button on no, and after that, if you want to buy the coins, then you can click on buy now and they will be added directly to your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and in the link below then you can find a link to some free crypto on Coinbase. Definitely check that out, and we would love to see you in our next video. Bye bye.